children, a very good morning from Sabha teacher. Children, today we are going to learn about a new letter. Yes, about a new letter. But before that, teacher wants you to meet someone. Yes, here she is, my new student. What's your name? Tell to your friends. Hello everyone, my name is Erica. Wow, what a lovely name, Erica. Erica and my dear children, today we are going to do a new letter. Yes, a letter E. Yes, say again, a letter E. And you know E has standing line, sleeping line, one more sleeping line and one more sleeping line. Yes, E has 3 sleeping lines. See? Standing line, sleeping line, and one more sleeping line. That makes letter E. We were learning E, E, E. The letter E. We are learning letter E. And the sound of E is E. See? E. The sound of E is E. Very good. The sound of E is E. When you break the egg, na? E. Very good. The sound of E is E. And E for what comes? Let's see some words with letter E. Yes, Erica, you want to know? Even the children wants to know. So let's show them. See children. E for egg. E for egg. E for engine. Chuk chuk chuk. Engine. Yes, the train runs on engine. So E for engine. Very good. E for elephant. Yes, E for elephant. E for elbow. See? E for elbow. E for eyes. E for eyes. E for ears. E for ears. Then E for eraser. Yes, E for eraser. Very good children. And you know E for engine also. E for egg. Very good. So, and one more. E for Erica. Yes, Erica. Your name also comes with letter E. Erica. Very good children. And the sound of E is E. Say with the teacher again. E. Good children. So now you know which letter we are learning. We are learning a letter. Say E, teacher. We are learning letter E. And what's the sound of E? E. The sound of E is E. Good, Erica. So like Erica, you will also learn the letter E and the sound of letter